Alright, let's go ahead. Let's try the redo. After that long mess, let's try the redo. Alright, so step 1 is good. It's in standard form. Step 2, do we have any GCF? Check, check, check for me. No, we do not, so we're good. Step 3 is to create this magical X. So magical. So on top is going to go my B value. On the bottom is A times C. A times C, 1 times 3 is 3. On top is going to be 4. So from the factors of 3, I have 1 and 3 and -1 and -3. Which one am I going to choose? Out of these two pairs, which one do I choose? If you choose this one, you are correct, because 1 plus 3 gives me 4. And that's what I'm looking for. So this is going to be 1V and 3V. That is the X puzzle. Look at it again. Look at it slowly. Rewatch it if you need to. So here I'm going to rewrite this as V squared plus, let's do 1V plus 3V plus 3 is equal to 0. Right, so I basically split up this 4V into two terms. 1 plus 3, which is the same as 4. Now we're going to go ahead and do step 4, factor by grouping. Group, 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 group. Out of the first group, factor out of V, and I have V plus 1. Out of the second group, factor out of 3, and now I have V plus 1 equal to 0. Factor out the common binomial, and I have V plus 1 with V plus 3. Set each factor equal to 0 using the zero product property. Whoops. That is not an H, that's a V plus 1. So V is equal to -1 and V is equal to -3. Alright, go ahead and try the udo. Try it as best as you can. Alright, at this point you're checking your answer for the udo. Step 1 and step 1, 2 is good. Let's go ahead, let's do step 3, that magical X puzzle. So on the bottom is A times C, which is 25. 1 times 25 is 25. My B value is 10. Alright, so now we look at the factors of 25. What times what gives us 25? Let's see, I have 5 times 5. Okay, there's 5 and also -5 and -5, right? Because -5 times -5 gives me positive 25. Which one do I add? Or sorry, which one do I choose? Think about it. Tell me why. Why did you choose this one? Is it this one or this one? If you chose this one, you are incorrect. The correct answer is 5 and 5. Because 5 times 5 is positive 25. 5 plus 5 is 10. So this gives me 5B and 5B. So that is your X puzzle. So let's write it out as B squared plus 5B plus 5B plus 25 is equal to 0. Because 10b, I'm rewriting 10b as 5b and 5b. I'm rewriting the trinomial from 3 terms into 4 terms. Now we're going to factor by grouping. So let's factor out a b, and I'm left with b plus 5. Factor out a 5, and I'm left with b plus 5. Let's go ahead and let's factor out the common binomial, b plus 5 and b plus 5. They're both the same equations. I can just write b plus 5 is equal to 0, b is equal to -5. Alright, that is long and messy. Take your time, process it.